Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you find out the ID of your Zoom meetings. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official zoom.us website. You want to either type this URL into your URL search bar or go to Google and search for Zoom and then come to their official website right here. So when entering the website guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can either sign up for an account if you do not already have one, or if you already have an account guys, there will be an option right here in the upper right corner that says log into your account. After logging in guys or creating a new account, you'll be greeted by this page right here where in the upper right corner you can see there is an option called My Account. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click this button in the upper right corner called My Account. And after clicking this button guys, this will bring you to this new page where you can see that you can have the options to either edit your Zoom profile or see info about your Zoom profile and so on. So guys, what you want to do to find out your meeting ID is go ahead and click the second option right here at the left side of the screen called Profile. Go ahead and click on Profile guys, and this will bring you to this page where you can see you can change your profile picture or your name and so on. So what you want to do is scroll down a bit until you find this option right here called Meeting. And under the Meeting tab guys, you have your personal meeting ID and your host key. And here is your personal meeting ID that you can use to join your Zoom meetings. And you can send this meeting ID to people that you want to join your meetings. So after that, you can just click on this button right here that will enable you to see your meeting ID, and all the numbers will appear that you will be able to send to people. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.